Here's our lovely tree. Watch out, Nathan.
Donated by ID 3052 of the Midwest Garrison, 501st Legion. Lucasfilm Limited.
And look at Kevin's here. Oh, here's the...
Oh, there's a rebel.
Rebel Scout.
Rebel.
All right.
This year I wanted to like the same tree.
Do these things even work?
I can't. Are they? Bunch of places, so that we don't lose them.
I'm getting costumes.
Well, we did say we were going to dress up. I want to be in it.
So this just ain't working.
Well, even I got one, so it can't be all bad.
I was just trying to sit down.
I'm going to put it around.
Well, here, put it there.
What is it?
The finger.
We're not getting this thing back.
Well, no, I'm saying if Neil wants it after we go 3 or 4, this is awesome. The Legion hit? No way! What is up with this?
It's because we're cool.
Well, of course.
Yeah, the only thing I got.
I see Walter coming by. I see this, I'm like, okay, what's up? Well, I'll tell you what.
You gotta get the other three too.
That will be on the formal.
Sexy. Screenshot that. Put a little drool in there too, in case there's not.
Yeah, we'll Photoshop that.
Primary color of the Empire.
We'll give you crack eyes.
Crack cocaine to help you drug.
So, just like your normal.
It's like you are married.
Feel the force. I'm here with the stormtrooper. Sick.
Mom, come here.
You're all in high def. Whether you like it or not.
20 years from now, I'll be like, wow, I was young.
Yeah, really. That's what we said 20 years ago.
20 years
Where's the Star Wars Christmas music? More importantly.
Oh, I should have brought my the iPhone thing. I could have played the. I got all the Star Wars stuff on it, like in my MP3.
I had actually thought about bringing my little thing, you know, the thing I brought for the.
You.
Where's Boba?
Boba Fett. Boba Fett. Like me, I hate being on camera too.
Was that you?
Great.
No, I keep going. I keep going.
Zoom, extreme close up. Whoa, whoa.
I feel like seeing in one of my pores.
Yeah, exactly. That's like.
Good answer. Good answer.
We should have like a group photo too around the tree.
No white.
There's the other one.
Reinforcing yet again the fact that I hate Christmas.
You do not.
As long as you eat my cookies.
Come to the dark side.
I just thought I'd throw that out there.
I'm surprised that we lied about the cookies.
He's floating.
I love the handmade ornaments. I love those.
I'll have to have Dan send you a link. My friend sent me. Your photo jacked up. You can make, you know, the paper snowflakes that you fold.
I need to get an armor before I get
Sale for that other one.
Darth
Yeah.
Vader and a
Where are the other clown costumes?
You know what? And I've seen the Stormtrooper one, but I haven't.
All I know is that.
Yeah.
What are they?
Rebel.
All right, take one of these.
So what?
What's with the hole?
Oh, jeez.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's old school.
Easy, killer. Children.
Dave, you need to get in here too.
Yeah, Dave and Neil went back.
Yeah,
Are you getting everybody?
That's Pet Street.
Yep.
I want everybody in there. Oh, I'm sorry.
I was trying to consider I'm here. Look at me. It's like I don't want to.
You actually want to stay here and watch the
Yeah, move around. Move around.
All I have to do is go in the reptile house. It's always warm.
We'll always know who that was with those gloves. Oh, good. He likes your welcome. Extreme close-up. Yeah, wait. There we go. Wait, move your hand. Can you get your... So you're not covered? Oh.